Hello everyone, welcome to English Minute, the place where you can learn simple, real-life English in just a few minutes every day. Here, we practice easy conversations, improve speaking skills, and learn English the fun way. So, relax, listen, and speak along. Let's start learning English, 1 minute at a time. At the pharmacy, conversation. Hello, could you help me please?
Of course. How can I help you?
I have a headache and a sore throat. Do you have something for that?
Yes, I do. How long have you had these symptoms?
Since yesterday.
Do you have a fever?
No, I don't think so.
All right. I recommend these tablets. Take one twice a day after meals.
Are there any side effects?
Just a little drowsiness. Please avoid driving.
Okay. How long should I take them?
For 3 days.
Do I need a prescription?
No, you don't.
Great. How much does it cost?
It's $8.
Here you go.
Thank you. Drink plenty of water and get some rest.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Get well soon.
Let's all overcome the fear of speaking English together. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, be sure to do it. So, see you in the next video. Good luck and practice makes perfect.